On behalf of Procurement Services, we would like to thank you for watching our training video. In this video, we will discuss how to create a non-catalog order for a quote with multiple items. In our ePro overview training video, we showed you how to create an order with a non-catalog form. We said that for every non-catalog form, it is equal to one item. So if you have a quote with multiple items, to generate a non-catalog form for each item must be exhausting. Well, in this video, I will show you an easy and quick way to process an order with a non-catalog form for multiple items. Okay, so now that we are in ePro, what do I do for every order? I look at the top right-hand corner, make sure that I see the triple zeros next to the cart, click on it, and make sure I see there are no items in my cart. Once I have validated that, I can go ahead and proceed to building out my cart. So I can scroll down, click on the non-catalog form tile, and open the non-catalog form. For this example, I'm going to be working off a Cayman quote, so I can begin typing in the Cayman Chemical Company and click on it. Now I'll scroll down to the next required field as indicated by the bold lettering, and is this a contract? I'm going to say no, and then I can begin to mirror the items off the quote into the non-catalog form. So bear with me, I don't have two screens, so I will try to make this as seamless as possible for you guys. So I'll type in the first item. So here I'll just type in part of it so I don't waste too much time. So I'll type that in, then I'll enter the item number, then the quantity, the unit price. That's great. Okay, so bring that up. Now for commodity code, since I don't quite know what I'm ordering, I'm just going to choose something generic. So I'll go lab, nothing there. And all right, for this one, I'll just select laboratory equipment. That way we can get through it. Go right into the next required field. Yes, I want to send this to the supplier. Since this is an item, I know that I'm not going to be utilizing the independent contractor or consultant questions. Are these goods or services to be used or provided in the United States? So I'm going to say yes. And then here, I'm going to attach the quote. So I'll click on this, select the file, and browse to my Cayman quote and let it upload. And then I will save the attachments. Now this is the first item of my quote. So as we said, every non-catalog form is one item. So in this case, in the overview, I would click add and go to cart and then say go. But since I know that I'm going to add more items, I'm going to click the available actions drop down and click add to cart. And then I'm going to hit go. Now if I scroll up, I can see the form added to cart successfully, but it leaves me in the form so I can make additional changes. So what am I going to do? I'm going to scroll down to the item section, and then I'm going to add the second item in my quote. So ultra pure water, catalog number 1. This one is a quantity of 2, and the amount is $14 per unit. Here, now if I look at the form, all the information that I've already filled out is already here, including the attachment. So now all I have to do is go up and in available actions. Since I know there's another item, I can hit go and then add that to my cart. And as you can see, that form successfully added. Then I can scroll down to my item section again, and then I can add the third item. Now normally freight will be charged on an invoice, so I might not put it on a PO, but for the sake of this training, I'll go ahead and add it here. So we'll add the part number. I'm just going to put a whole bunch of zeros and hope that it's right. Quantity 1, and then we're going to go $35. And since I know this is my last item, I'm going to change the available action to add and go to cart and then hit go. And I'm going to do that for my last items. So now that I hit go, I can go back into my cart, and as you can see, all 3 items that was on the quote is now on my item list, and I'm in my simple checkout process. And as we know through the training overview video, from this point on, the checkout process is the same. On behalf of Procurement Services, I would like to thank you for watching this training video. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email. Thank you.